Kain tayo,
Okra.
guys.
Diba, naluto yung okra. Half-cook nga lang to eh. Naluto na siya. Uy, ang chili, umiibabaw. Maanghang pa.
Guys, oh. Dining-ding. Dining-ding, guys. Dining-ding, so. Yes, yum. Okra.
Masarap siya.
Talon.
Nagka-ikot na yung aming kamay.
Guys, oh. Yes, daing. Oh. Higop sa baw, guys.
Kaya ano yan? Harap ako ng akin eh.
Sarap, guys. Wala. Yung plato ko malapad. Wala ng mangkok, guys. Tinamad na akong tumayo.
Nice.
Sarap, guys. Daing.
Mama, you don't like to eat the vegetable?
Talong. Walang suka sa harapan.
Chicken, no?
Walang suka, guys.
Wala, magawa nga ako ng sausawan natin.
Sabi ko nga yung suka ni Madam Jay, yung kuko, ano yung buko, buko Diyos, nandun asin.
Magawa ko ng sausawan, yung may pipino. Ano ba? Tubo. Tubo ka. Hindi ako nakaupo.
Sarap, guys, yung luto ni Amy. Grabe, guys, ang kain ko nito. Walang diet, guys. Walang diet. Uy, Diyos me, yung marimar. Higop,
Mama.
higop, ano yun, si Madam, ah.
First time I do like that because I'm hungry, no?
Okra. Talong.
Hindi manghang.
Sarap talaga, guys. Daing.
Then she said,
Sarap.
we have to bring water in the side the thermos.
Yeah?
Water for children.
Hmm.
And you know if how many thermos bottle have there, we take.
How much the entrance there?
I don't know. We will see now.
How much the entrance?
Dati 100, 200. Dati 150 pag may emerald side
With
ka. Pag,
the
pag tourist,
Are you sure? I go because expensive there.
Madam said no.
Fish.
Hi, Mama. Dry fish.
Asking Coco doesn't eat.
She said, Madam, what is this meal?
What is that?
What is this meal?
Food.
Dry fish.
Fish.
Food.
You doing like this, oh?
Food, yeah. Because Madam said, go inside and she because my card, she have her money inside my card. And she said, I am the one who will pay for the entrance for them. So of course, love them.
Yung alagang bata namin. Pag nakakaamoy, sabi niya, what is smell?
Because if I didn't pay for the entrance, how you will go inside? That's when I pay for entrance.
Yeah.
Live ako. Laptop. Sa ano? Facebook. Yeah, sure. So you're the one to pick? You're the one to pick?
From Germany, yeah?
Gusto ko pag-alis ng rice.
She said,
Rice pag-alis.
Kain na kami.
Yung pan-rice.
No,
Kanin
sarap na namin kain. Bakit parang madilim?
Rice
OMG.
is life.
Madilim.
Rice is life.
Hi everyone. Coco, you like our food? Voila.
But I'm sorry, I cannot give you because your mom said it's not allowed.
Yummy lang. Coco, did you smell it?
Coco,
Our food.
Coco.
Thanks
I cannot
God
give you
for
food,
nice food.
Coco. Sorry, Coco. Coco.
Pag ganito talaga guys ang mga ulam, grabe.
Ang hanggang.
I'm so sorry, Coco.
Sarap talaga ng tuyo. Paborito.
Madam
Tapos
said
tinola.
because that
Cowboy kami.
Ayun.
Dalawa lang kami ni Lani.
like that's not allowed.
Ayun.
Like this water, like that bottle, small or big like that, not allowed.
Why?
One is not allowed since before.
Not allowed the small one?
Not allowed same like that.
Why not? What allowed? Small?
She said it have like thermos or what?
Thermos.
Like bottle. If they
Mga
have
Coco!
Okay.
Naasmin ni Coco yung kain natin.
it, because it's not allowed, no? They have rules. Since last year, every time while they have rules, not allowed like this plus like this.
Yummy.
Coco, carry me. Coco. Coco.
Sarap ng kain namin, no? Wala kaming diet ngayon, eh.
Wala, ano ba naman yan? Grabe, sarap ng kain ko dito. Tayo nakapublic pa ah.
Live lang ako sa Facebook ngayon, eh. Sarap ng kain namin, eh.
Bahala kayo guys dyan. Mahingit kayo.
Sarap, eh.
If I go there,
Yung aming
Malunggay sa luyot. Oh,
aming
ayun, yung aso na. Yung aso na.
tinola.
Yung aso namin naamoy, ah.
Sarap.
if I go there in Balwalde, please don't my mind.
Not mine.
Don't put my phone. Don't bring the phone in the water because
Why?
I don't want.
Sarap talaga guys ng daing.
Because
Nako.
because I don't want. Because I don't want problem.
Are you sure, Mama, you don't want to eat? Nice
No.
taste.
Yung aso namin naiingit.
May ingit siya sa kain namin.
I'm full now.
Bawang. Bawang guy. You're full. But I don't have for swimming. What are you
Take
doing?
from Lani.
It's okay, short?
Nak. Ang init.
Huh?
Ang init niyan.
Short man?
Ang init niyan. Grabe, sunog kaya pag ano, buti kung isang oras lang kayo dun. Ubusin ninyo ang time dun.
Take from Lani.
Even we are wearing short pant, even we are wearing long sleeve. How about your face?
Pwede mo na sunblock. Sarap kumain, grabe. Talo pa yun.
Presko eh, more presko.
Iba naman ang kumain ng fresh na ano, na gulay ay. Hindi naman ang aso namin naiingit, grabe.
Ay, long. You can put sunblock from here, no?
Yeah, I have some. But
Ubos namin ang isang kaldero na gulay. Ayan.
mas masarap to kung may kalabasa.
Talo ko si Amy sa kainan. Ang bagay niya kumain. Ako sa mabilisan ako eh. Coco is not allowed for you this one. This is daing.
I will bring like little chips and this one, but I hide in the towel.
Chips, we bring... What, the water we bring?
Water in the this one.
That one?
What they have here, we will put inside.
Rice again. This one guys for 3. For 3 na rice. No control ngayon. No diet. Kasi ito na naman. Nagluto na naman siya eh. My God, at hingi naman ang aso namin. Ano ba to? Nanghihingi siya.
Mama? We don't want to eat.
What?
We don't want to eat.
Ah,
Sarap ng okra. Inubos mo ba yung okra?
Hindi.
Ba't hindi mo inubos?
Ano pa doon?
you know, in the morning I eat 2 bread. And she's got my breakfast. And now I eat this one.
Sa labas ka lang kumain sa loob. Sa loob, hindi ano.
Sa labas na. Marami kami sa loob, guys. May sa loob pa, may sa labas. Sa labas lang yung kinuha.
Okay.
Ano ba yung aso na? Hindi ka.
Coco, stop the peanut.
Flip.
Coco, can you shut up?
Wala.
Yung toyo, hindi ko piniligilan.
Or this one, Amy.
That's not small?
Yeah.
So, but if you bring that small, mama, you will bring too much. Why you didn't bring the little big?
Or this one, the white one.
I'm full.
The white one and
Thanks God.
Go up as you check. It's gone enough.
I'm wearing gloves guys because
each one of them like
if I
one
serve
and
the food, my hand will be smell. Si Coco.
Yung ano, aso.
It's not allowed for you this. This is Filipino food. You are foreigner.
this one,
You are
No.
expensive.
You are foreigner. Not allowed
this
to
one.
Yeah, that was good. Oh, Coco, I'm eating. Don't
Coco,
disturb with me.
Get down. It's not allowed for you.
Coco!
See, look guys, look. You want food, but I give it.
Yung aso
Already.
namin, naghahanap na ng pagkain. Kakain siya, parang naamoy niya yung pagkain. Takpan na nga
Kasi
natin.
dalawang beses ko
Hindi
lang
ako
siya.
hihinto pag nandyan pa eh.
Dalawang beses ko lang siya guys pakainin kasi ano ito, yung
Hint and
sobrang taba niya, napapagod na siya. Kaya dinadayet namin.
Baka, kain pa ako.
Bahala ka.
Saan ba?
Sige tayo. See you next.
Sabaw.
Parang shit.
Sabaw.
Kailangan ko lang kabayo guys. Kasi may susunod pang trabaho. Abay na guys. See you again.
Yeah, gutom
in
na
my
ako.
next video.